Hello friends, and welcome to the video tutorial of multi-eBay account connector for Magento 2. Now this module is used to synchronize the products, categories and the order from your eBay store to your Magento 2 store and sync your products from your Magento 2 store to your eBay store. The admin can get all the products from different eBay accounts using this wonderful module. The admin can also get all the categories and the order related to the synchronized eBay products in their Magento 2 store. Now coming to the installation of this module, after you have downloaded the module from a store, you will be getting it in a zip format. You have to unzip it and then you have to click on the module folder. After clicking on the module folder, you will be getting the SRC folder. Click on the SRC folder, you will be getting the app folder. You have to upload the app folder into your Magento 2 directory and then you have to run the commands. So for the commands and for the proper installation guidance, you can refer to our user guide. Now let's come to your admin panel for the module configuration. Now this is my admin panel, so I will go to my store and then my configuration. Now under the menu you will get multi-eBay Magento Connect, so click here. Now you will be getting general setting. In here you have to select your global site, your eBay user ID and the other details, and then you have to import eBay categories from here. Then from here you can select the status of features, yes, revise eBay item when updated the Magento product. So when the product will be updated in Magento, it will be revised on your eBay manually. You can see your return policy, your listing option, your dispatch option, your payment option. After that, your default shipping detail. Then you have to select your default store for order sync. So I have selected default store view and default website for eBay eBay product. So after selecting all the data, you have to save the configuration. Now for getting your eBay authentication token, your user ID, your application ID, your certification ID, you have to log on into your developer.ebay.com and you have to sign in. Now after login, you can see your app ID, your developer ID, your certification ID, and then you can click on your user token. Now after clicking on your user token, you have to again sign into Sandbox. Now again you have to sign in. Now after signing in, you have to agree here and then you can see your token and your application ID. So you have to copy from here and then you have to paste here your your authentication token. So this is your authentication token which you have to enter here. So like this you can get your eBay credential. Now let's move to its module workflow. Now after the proper installation and configuration, you can see multi-store eBay Magento Connect. So go here and click on eBay account connect. Now you can see your various eBay account, multiple eBay account, the store name and the user ID. From here you can edit them and from here you can delete them. So and from here you can add a new eBay account. So from here I will edit one existing eBay user. So you can see the eBay account detail. I have selected the attribute set ID, global site, and these are my credential details. Then come here to your map category. So from here you can map your store category to your eBay category. For example, you can select the store category as eBay cat and then you can select your eBay category as antiques. Then you can select its subcategory, and then you can save on mapping. Now you can see the success notification, and you can see the entity ID, your store category, your eBay category, the name, and the variation. Now come to your map product. So from here you can import your product from eBay. So I will click on import product from eBay, and now you can see total 9 products are imported in your store from eBay, and you have to run the profiler to create this product into your Magento 2 store. Now I will run the profiler for eBay mapping. So I will click on run profiler over here. Now after running the profiler, you can see that only 1 product was imported and other 8 product was not imported, because those product SKU were already existing in our store. So all these products were skipped and only 1 product was imported whose SKU was not saved and it was not existing in our Magento 2. So only 1 has been imported. And now you can see the eBay product ID, name, type, and this is your Magento 2 store product ID and the store category. So from here you can also change its category from default category to any of the category you need. Now come to your map order. So in map order you can map the order of the products which are already synced in your Magento 2 store. So from here you have to map the order, you have to import, and then you have to run the profiler. And under your import to eBay, you can import your Magento 2 product to your eBay and then submit. The profiler will run and then your product will get imported into your eBay store. And now you can see your 1 product has been imported on eBay. So this is all about your multi-eBay account connector for Magento 2. If you have any doubt regarding this module, you can raise a support ticket at support@google.com.